Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Welcome to my channel. We are going to continue with this ТРКИ тест по-русскому как иностранному. That's A1 level. And you can check the first two parts in the description. This is already part 3, and we are going to look at a couple of more questions. So, let's get started. Виктор очень blank поехать в Англию, но не blank, потому что у него нет денег. What are the options? Может, хочет, умеет, знает. You probably know these verbs. Знает means he knows. Может, умеет, so A and V, they are quite commonly confused. What do they mean? They both mean he can or he knows how. Может, he can, умеет, he can. We use умеет with some skills, abilities like он умеет плавать, he can swim. Он умеет водить машину, he can drive a car. Может can be used as a synonym. Он может плавать, он может водить машину. But also we use this verb when we say that I can do this because I have free time, or I have this availability, я могу встретиться с тобой в 5 часов. So in this kind of situation, we can't use умеет. So that's the difference between A and V, может и умеет. Хочет is simply wants, he wants. So what we'll have in number 16? Очень хочет поехать в Англию. Но не he can't. He doesn't have this availability. He doesn't have enough money. У него нет денег. So the correct option here, но не может. Но не может. We cannot use умеет here. As you remember, умеет is about some skills and talents, physical abilities. So one more time. Виктор очень хочет поехать в Англию, но не может, потому что у него нет денег. Let's look at the next one. Ольге очень blank слушать современную популярную музыку. The options we have: любит, нравится, хочет, может. So, we have Ольге in dative case. The name Olga. Nominative Olga with A. So, if you know the cases already, it will be clear for you, that it's not nominative, definitely. And then we have the infinitive слушать. We can say I like to listen to, I love to listen to, and so it's going to be слушать anyway, but only verb нравится is used with the dative case. So the person who likes something, we say мне нравится, тебе нравится, we use dative. So Ольга becomes Ольге, or Мария becomes Марии. Кому нравится, плюс что делать? So one more time. Ольге очень нравится слушать современную популярную музыку. By the way, this form нравится does not change. It will be нравится if I say мне нравится, тебе нравится, ему нравится. And even if it's plural for people who like something, нам нравится, вам нравится, им нравится. The verb form here stays the same. Moving on. The next one. Осенью в лесу очень blank. What are the options? Красивый, красавица, красный, красиво. So, A is красивый, the adjective beautiful, and it's a masculine form. B, красавица, it's a noun, and it's a feminine noun, which means beauty. Like, you call a woman, like, you are such a beauty. Ты такая красавица. Красный is the color, красный, red, and красиво is also beautiful, but it's like adverb. This one is quite tricky, even for students who know Russian in like A2, even B1 level, they often make mistakes. When we look at the sentence, we describe how it is in the forest in autumn. Now think which form you will choose. You might choose the word красивый, the adjective masculine, because, for example, лес is masculine, forest. But you should feel the difference between the sentences like осенью в лесу очень. And the correct answer here is красиво, г. And the sentence like осенью лес, masculine, but in nominative case. Осенью лес очень красивый. Here, красивый, yes, we will choose the adjective because we describe the noun лес. But when we say в лесу, the grammar structure changes a lot. We already described something else, not exactly the лес, the forest itself, but we describe how it is in the forest. And that's why we need to use this kind of adverb form. Красиво. The next question. Мой любимый поэт Анна Ахматова. Я очень люблю blank стихи. The options их, their, его, his, ее, her, and ваши, your, the plural version or the like respectful formal version. So Anna Akhmatova is a woman. The name Anna is the woman's name. So Anna Akhmatova is a she, right? Even though the word poet can be still masculine. Мой любимый поэт Александр Пушкин, мой любимый поэт Anna Akhmatova. You can still use the masculine form poet. We do have the word poetessa. It's up to you whether you use it or not. So I like a lot her poems. Which one is the correct option? Ее. Ее. So the poems that she wrote. Ее стихи. Я очень люблю ее стихи. And the last question for today. Мы родились и выросли в Москве. Москва – это blank город. Родились. The past. Выросли. Also the past tense. We were born and we grew up in Moscow. And the options we have наш, наша, наше, наши. All the possible forms of the word our. And what can be the problem here? Moskva is a name, the geographical name, but still we treat these names also sometimes as if it's masculine or if it's feminine, we say моя Москва or мой Петербург, because Петербург sounds like it's a masculine name. But here we have to choose the word for город. Это blank город. Город is masculine. So as you have guessed, Москва – это наш город. It's our city. Why it's our city? Because we were born and we grew up in Moscow. Москва – это наш город. Город – masculine. Наш is also masculine form of the word our. I hope you enjoyed this lesson as well. Let me know in the comments below if you like such videos, if you find them useful, if it's your level, and let me know in the comments below if you want to continue such lessons. I'm also going to do at least one test for A2 and one for B1. B2 is also possible, yeah, we can look at this as well. Of course, I will speak only Russian in those videos. B2 is the level which you need to have if you want to study in Russian to be linguist. Итак, спасибо за внимание. Увидимся в следующих видео. Спасибо за ваши лайки. YouTube очень хочет знать, мои видео полезны или нет. И как он понимает это? YouTube понимает это, если видит много лайков и комментариев. See you. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.